Almost done. There's just one more practice problem. Then it's time for the exit ticket. Let's start off by figuring out what to do first. No parentheses, so I don't have to distribute. There's no step 1. Step 2 says combine like terms, and I do have like terms in the 5y and the 4y. They're both positive, so I just add. These are also like terms on the right side, so it's 12 minus 2, which is 10. Okay? Step 3 says get the variables on the same side. I only have variables on the left, so there is no step 3. Step 4, get the constants on the other side. So I want to get rid of this negative 8, right? I want all my constants to be over here on the right. So I'm going to do the opposite and add 8. Negative and positive 8 cancel out. Bring down the 9y and the equal sign. 10 plus 8 is 18. Finally, isolate this variable by doing the opposite of multiplication, which is division. And again, 2's been the magic number in this lesson. I think y is 2. So I'm going to rewrite this whole thing. So instead of 5y, I'm going to put 5 times 2 minus 8 plus instead of 4y, 4 times 2 equals negative 2 plus 12. You can't just put the 10. You've got to make it the original equation when you're checking. No changes, okay? So 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8. And now you can combine 10. Negative 8 and positive 8 cancel each other out, so I can just cross those out. And I get 10 equals 10. It's the same number. Oh, there's no yellow box, so we'll just box the answer to show that it is correct. One more practice problem.